Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm here with Alejandro. How are you?
Good, thank you.
Or should I say hola?
Something like that. Hola, yeah.
So Alejandro recently joined our team, is also one of our gold students. And first of all, let me ask you, what made you want to get involved with Amazon in general?
So, well, the main thing is that because of the corona, the COVID, situation right now, I've been stood down as many other, industries. And I was already from some time before searching for something, for some other source of income. And I had a look at some point in Amazon, obviously because I was busy doing the other job, I couldn't do it. But that's the main reason. Unfortunately, I was so lucky, I guess, to get into watching the webinar.
Yes.
Basically, and that's how I obviously decided I got more interested.
Yeah.
And then lucky. Now I'm here.
Yeah, that's great. Well, guys, I've got to see. Normally, when people are interested in joining us as a student, I usually jump on the phone with you. But right now, we're a little bit inundated with what's happening in the world right now, the crazy world, and I don't have time. So I'm sort of building our team, and Alejandro joined us, which is good. So, what were you doing prior to this? What were you involved in?
I was most of my life actually. I was involved with the hospitality industry.
Yes.
Tourism. I was a tour guide of the Galapagos Islands before. Now, opening a different perspective with hotels and places to stay. And obviously, that's one of the main industries to be heated at the beginning.
Yes.
Not be able to travel, so that's what I was doing before.
Yes, right. Yeah. Okay. So I've got a question for you. You've gone through the training. What did you like best about the training that we offer?
Well, in my case, which I think might be the case of a lot of people, I need, something to be easy, something to be easy to understand and follow the step by step. And that's what I saw that, these had that particular thing. Besides that, also the support.
Yes.
The support is a massive, decision for me in anything in life. I need in my personality, I need support to motivate me to
hold you accountable, right?
Correct.
To actually give you a kick up the butt to actually follow through and actually do something.
That's right. Yeah. That's right. So
because there's courses out there, there's so much information out there, there's to a point where it's overwhelmed, right? You can go on Google or YouTube or whatever, and there's heaps of information, but it's all over the place. A lot of it's old, a lot of it's outdated. And, the way we do it, it's very step-by-step, instructional, how-to, very practical, no fluff, no filler, no BS. And then every Monday, I'm giving a kick up the butt of everyone saying, where are you at right now? What's your product? What have you done since the last week? What have you done since the last month? Let's jump on this particular product. So that's good. And
yes, the last thing I could say is that I became a gold student specifically, especially gold. Is support that
I'm working with you more.
Correct.
Yeah.
And that's what I feel. That's the main key factor for me to do it.
Yep. Yeah. And what's your goal for the next 12 months? What do you want to achieve?
So, I would like to have. I'm still in the search of products right now. So I'm in the beginning stages, right?
Yes.
So that I will say approximately will take me 3 months around there, somewhere there, and then hopefully in a year I'm hoping to have, say, approximately 10 products or something like that around there.
Yeah, okay.
And, be able to create a different source of income.
Yep. And ideally your own brand. Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah.
That's also the goal, labeling it's possible.
Yep.
And go all the way from there. And then obviously after that, the sky's the limit.
Yes, that's it.
Right.
And Alejandro comes from a very unique place. It's the Galapagos Islands over in South America.
Yeah, Ecuador. Belongs to the Ecuadorian piece of land.
Yes.
It's a beautiful species there, different of Australia, but obviously.
So you came from swimming with the turtles in the Galapagos Islands to surf paradise. Like, why? Why?
Right. I met my ex-wife. Now we have a beautiful son together, and that's the decision to stay here, in Australia. So I met her there as a tour guide.
Okay.
Been guiding, and then suddenly one thing to the next.
Yeah.
And you don't even know what's happening, and now I'm here.
It's just a permanent staple on the Gold Coast. Well, guys, have a chat with Alejandro. If you're serious and committed about getting something started on Amazon, if you want to talk about products, want to talk about whether or not selling on Amazon for you, your budget, time commitment, how much time do you need to get involved, He has all the answers. You have all the questions. He has the answers. Jump on the phone. And what we're going to do as a gift for you, jumping on the phone with Alejandro, is I'm going to give you a gift. It's going to be a report showing you the 3 hottest products selling right now on Amazon, all right? I'm going to give that report to you for free, all right? So jump on the call, have a chat, get your questions answered, and I would love to work with you, all right? Have a great day. Bye for now.
Bye-bye.